Yeah, okay, my name is Thomas Jakl. I'm from the Austrian Environment Ministry, and I have been in charge of running 3 EU presidencies already, and each time it was our intention to bring chemicals policy back to the policy agenda. And the most recent presidency in 2018, it was about liaising scientific work more closely to the policy area. We had the impression that, of course, European chemicals policy always was evidence-based, but this was quite at random what new topics arrived at the policy level, and so it was obvious that we need a more systematic approach here, a more strategic approach. And so it was already in the Bulgaria and in the subsequent presidency where environment ministers in their conclusion very precisely formulated the need. And then the Commission reacted and designed the Horizon Europe partnership framework in order to make sure that such a partnership as we are convening today, the PARC partnership on risk assessment of chemicals, would be possible. And I think the previous work in this area on HBM4U paved the way so that we really could enter to widen the whole scope, really embracing all areas of chemicals policy. What makes this partnership PARC quite new and specific is that science and policy are acting in a mutually supportive manner. And both areas are realizing that it takes the effort to understand the other universe in order to make both results most relevant. It was the case that so many people from the scientific community were eager to find new specific results without having the necessity in mind that regulatory purposes need certain elements being embedded in scientific work to make it usable for policy. And this is what making PARC so unique, that both parts of the universe, the scientific part as well as the policy area, understand each other, liaise, join forces. And what we see today in this consortium meeting is how brilliant this symbiosis is evolving and delivering great results. Another topic which makes PARC so specific is not that only both disciplines, science and policy, learned to understand each other and try to speak the same language. When setting up this partnership, lots of effort has been put on communication. In order not only not to forget all this civil society, it is not sufficient that politicians understand the scientists and to find a common language. We have to bridge the gap also to civil society in order to make sure that people are not panic-stricken with the issues of chemicals, but that they have the impression we know that there is a problem, but we invested lots of taxpayers' money to arrange for a set of instruments capable of dealing with these instruments. And so this is what the whole website, social media elements, the whole communication instruments we designed the PARC is about, to give scientists and policy makers the adequate media to show that they understand each other's languages, but to do this in a way so that also the civil society gets the real and authentic impression of the topic.